There are a lot of opinions out there on what your home may be worth. With the strong seller's market we are currently seeing, everyone wants to tell you about what your home is worth and what you should do with it. How do you know who to believe? Hi, I'm Christine Lurie, real estate broker with App Properties, and I'm here to help you cut through all the noise. When determining the value of your home, key things we look at are size, condition, location, and marketing. We can't compare a 2,000 square foot home with a 4,000 square foot home. We can't just compare your home to others in your area. We have to look at homes that are in similar size. And since there's not a lot of inventory on the market, we will look at homes 200 to 400 square feet smaller and larger than your home, just like an appraiser would. Also, the condition of your home has less to do with age and more to do with the upkeep and upgrades. We look at things like landscaping, renovations, and modern updates. What about location? Well, when assessing your location, we listen for traffic, look for telephone poles, proximity to freeways and schools and shopping, and anything else that may influence the value of your home. Oh, and my favorite, and where we see a lot of agents having the hardest time, and that's the marketing that is done on your home. Proper marketing, or lack thereof, can drastically change what you will get for your home, even in the seller's market. Don't listen to someone who says that marketing isn't important. It makes a drastic difference, and we have the stats to prove it. The value you can get for your home can influence the decisions you make about your home. Make sure that you are going to the experts who have the experience and the proven track record when finding out what your home is worth. I'm Christine Lurie with App Properties, and I'm always here to help. Reach out anytime if you've got questions. We'd be more than happy to help. And remember, home is key to a happy life, so love where you live.